The 50-30-20 rule is dead. Try this budget instead. The 50-30-20 rule. It's the golden budgeting formula everyone keeps preaching. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Sound familiar? But what if I told you this golden rule might be the exact thing keeping you broke? And no, I'm not exaggerating. Because here's the truth. In today's economy, where rent eats half your paycheck, student loans want your soul, and inflation is outpacing your raise, this old rule is like trying to play Netflix on a VCR. And unless you live in a magical land where avocados cost 25 cents and rent is $500 a month, you've probably figured out it just doesn't work anymore. But stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a modern, flexible system that works for real life and real goals. Let's rewire your money mindset right now. The problem and shift. Why the 50-30-20 rule fails in 2025. The 50-30-20 rule was created in a different world. Back when housing took 25% of income, not 50 plus. Today, the average rent for young adults in the US is skyrocketing past 40 to 50%. So when you try to force your spending into outdated boxes, guess what happens? Guilt, frustration, and eventually, giving up. You start to think you're bad with money instead of realizing the system is broken. What's the point of a budget that only works in theory? Like, should we also bring back dial-up internet while we're at it? Introducing the conscious cash flow method. Here's what works instead, the conscious cash flow method. It's flexible, it's intentional, and it evolves with your life. Breakdown, essentials, fixed plus, flexible needs, rent, bills, food, etc. are 60%. Stability, savings plus a debt payoff. Future-proofing your money, not 20%. Freedom, investing plus wealth building. Stocks, IRA, side hustle tools, 15%. Flex, joy plus spontaneity. Travel, takeout, hobbies, 5%. It's not about rigid percentages. It's about aligning money with purpose. Because your cash flow isn't just math. It's energy, it's movement, it's life. Point 3, automate to dominate. The secret to making this system stick? Automation. Set your paycheck to split across your 4 buckets automatically. Use apps, use systems, use technology, because your brain has enough going on already. You're not lazy. You're just not a budgeting monk with 3 hours every Sunday to color code spreadsheets. You want results without turning into a financial robot. That's why automation is your superpower. The transformation. Point 4, living with purpose, not pressure. When your budget reflects your priorities, not your pain, everything changes. You stop feeling behind. You stop feeling guilty. And for the first time, money starts working for you, not against you. Now, when a paycheck hits, you know exactly where it's going. You're funding your future, investing in your dreams, and still grabbing that Friday night sushi without the guilt trip. And the best part? Once this clicks, you'll never go back to the old way again. Point 5, your 10-minute budget makeover. You don't need a finance degree to start. Just 10 minutes, a bank app, and the willingness to stop being broke by default. Here's how to start. Look at your last 30 days of spending. Sort into the 4 buckets. Set limits, set automation, and breathe. No, you don't need 12 sinking funds, 18 categories, and a spreadsheet that looks like a spaceship dashboard. You just need clarity and the courage to begin. Final CTA, master your money, master your life. The 50-30-20 rule is dead, but your financial future? Oh, it's just getting started. Hit subscribe, because next I'll show you exactly how to set up your conscious cash flow buckets using tools you already have. This isn't about budgeting. It's about building the life you've always wanted, $1 at a time.